Sewer camera inspection at 1030 North Mason Drive here in Chandler. We have two plumbing cleanouts at the front of the house. These are your main plumbing cleanouts. They're ABS plastic. One of them, the one closest to the house, is going to go out to the street, and the one farthest from the house is going to go under the property. So right now we're going to go under the house and try and get a look at the sewer lines as best we can. I do have some water flowing in the master bathroom right now, or primary bathroom. Checking the connections, making sure that there's no openings or cracks around those areas. Looking for bellies or excessive debris in the line, anything building up, root intrusion, bellies. I guess I just said that. There's a drain connection right there coming into the pipe, likely from this front bathroom area. And that's where the water is entering from the primary bathroom into the main drain line right there. Shrinks a little bit. This is likely going to the kitchen. I'm going to go turn the kitchen sink on right now and make sure that this is that line. Alright, now we're seeing some water go down the pipe, so that's good. That means we're in between the primary bathroom and the kitchen right now. Again, just checking those connections, making sure there's no gaps. Cracks. Bit of debris in the line there. It's not crazy, it's not a lot, but it is starting to build up a little bit, likely from grease from the kitchen sink area. Then yeah, this is going up to the kitchen sink drain right there. So that's the entire length of the pipe from the front of the house to the street. I mean to the cleanouts. So now we're going to pull the camera head back. Keep looking at the pipe, making sure that we didn't miss anything that sticks out, and we're going to go towards the street. That's where reduction is. Another drain connection by the primary. That just kind of gives us an idea of where it's located at the camera and how water is flowing down the pipe. So these ABS pipes look really good today. It's not a bad idea to have some hydrojet maintenance done between the primary and the kitchen. There's a buildup of grease in there. Now we're going to go out to the street. More connections there, 20 feet. Another connection there, 24 feet. Angling off into the city connection here. You can see the material change there, so that's your city connection, 28 feet from the front clean out. It's going to be out under the street area. So the pipes look good. Nothing major going on. Just some used ABS pipes that should get some clean out done. You can see on the top of the pipe there that stuff is building up a little bit. If you have any questions about the sewer camera inspection, please get a hold of me. I'm Inspector Dan with Property Inspection Supplies. Happy to help you out if I can.